Hey guys, today we're gonna ride my motorcycle into the house. Why? I don't know, but let's go.
So guys, here we are. It's 2 a.m. I'm trying to sleep, but I simply can't, and I'm just laying in bed thinking, wow, I have a garage that's connected to a basement, and I have a dirt bike. What if I drove the dirt bike into the basement? And that's how we're here. Today we're riding this motherfucking thing into the house, because why not? Alright guys, as you can see, I've got a little ramp set up here. This should go flawlessly. I don't see any reason why this shouldn't work. Let's freaking do this shit. Neutral. See if the bars will fit. Alright, we got this. Oh, it's halfway in. Alright, now we gotta turn it. Oh, we freaking got this. We got this. We lost the wood. Alright. We're halfway in. We gotta get the wood set up though. Oh, see, that's an issue. See, we're not even on the wood. See, that's... Oh, we probably should have got rid of that little mat. It's alright, guys. We're gonna freaking get this. We're gonna get this. If we can lift this heavy-ass bike. Get on the wood. I demand that you... Get on the wood. Oh, fuck. Alright, you know what? We're gonna start from square one. Bring it back down. Bring it down. Bring it down. We need one smooth, fluid motion for this to work. Meanwhile, I'm inhaling gas fumes. Alright, let's straighten this thing out. I'm not fucking around anymore. Gotta get rid of this. I'm just gonna show everybody that it can be done. You can do it. If you believe in yourself enough, you can drive your motorcycle into the house. You just gotta believe hard enough, that's all. Alright. Woohoo! Shit. Okay. Oh, almost. Alright. We're almost in. We can do this. We did it! There's a motorcycle in the house. This is great. Oh yeah, what a long day at work. Oh, Connor must be gone. There's no motorcycle in the garage, huh? Just go in here. What the? In the house. This is so funny. Oh, we gotta put her in the bathroom. That'd be so funny. La la la. Never did I think I would see my motorcycle in the bathroom. Ah! Sheesh. Wow, nice view. Alright. Back to riding, boys. Landlord's gonna be like, what are all these bumps in the wall? Like, sir, I wish I could tell you. Wish I could tell you. Oh, another speed bump here. It's not a lot of turning radius in this basement, you know. You think they would have thought about it more. It's as if they didn't frickin' plan this basement with motorcycles in mind. It's ridiculous. We're good. We're good. Oh! Let's hope going out is easier than going in was. Because if it's not, I don't know. It won't be. See, guys, this is why you put bark busters on your bike. Wow. So agile. Oh my gosh, I just flashed everyone. I mooned them. So they just ripped out my pants.